Campaign for Just and Fair Delimitation (CJFD) has announced a complete boycott of the upcoming census self-enumeration exercise, citing Manipur government's failure to issue clear directive on updating NRC prior to conducting the census. Addressing a press conference at CCSK office at Wankai, CJFD convener Jitendra Nigomba stated that the decision was taken as the government has not offered any solid assurance regarding the demands raised by the public and important stakeholders. Reiterating the campaign's resolute stance, no NRC, no census, Jitendra Nigomba outlined a series of planned agitations across the state. A round-the-clock sit-in protest will be staged in front of the Wankai Angomleka United Youth Club complex, running from tomorrow through August 16. The convener urged the public across Manipur to organize local sit-in demonstrations from August 10 to August 16, as well as torch rallies during the evening hours. The public is urged to completely boycott self-enumeration phase scheduled to begin on August 17. Citizens have been requested to approach their respective MLAs to push the demand for an updated NRC before any census operations proceed. Highlighting a recent state-level seminar on the demographic profile of Manipur, jointly organized on August 7 and 8 by the State Home Department and Manipur State Population Commission, Jitendra Nigomba noted that experts, stakeholders and CJFD representatives unanimously recommended updating the NRC prior to conducting the census. Despite both the Home Department and the Commission acknowledging the gravity of recommendation during the proceedings, the state government has failed to officially release or act upon the recommendations. CJFD affirmed that its stance will remain firm until a concrete official declaration is made by the government.
Manipur Miam, Kangli Miam, Pumda, watching Omsum the Labiriba, Pumnamaki, and Zarakanda, Aikoi, Manipur Miam, Taliba, Yakoi Lamdam Sleba, Yelomi, Kananaba, Aduka Manipur labor, Manipuri sing, Kananabakdamukta, Asing Bam Manipuri sing, Kandup, you Hibado, Makoina, Yadrabanina. Manipur sing Kadoga, Mitop sing Kadopodo, Aduki Poto, Tobu Hibu Yadrabanina, Haying Tang Taraga Teretagi, Makuni Satagani, Haiba, Ekogi, Census, Ekoi Manipur Miamna, Boycott, Tore, Hedana, Ahan, Tuxeri.